Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and mind-blowing topics in tech: artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard the term thrown around everywhere. Movies, news, maybe even your smart fridge acting a little too smart. But what is artificial intelligence really? Is it just robots taking over the world, or is there more to it? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what AI is, how it works, and why it's changing our lives. Let's get started. So, let's break it down. At its core, artificial intelligence is when computers or machines are designed to think and act like humans. It's about creating systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like learning from experience, solving problems, recognizing images, or even understanding language. Think of AI as a super smart tool that can analyze data, make decisions, and sometimes even get creative. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds cool, but how does AI actually work? Great question. AI is powered by a few key ingredients. First up, we have data. AI systems need tons of data to learn from. Think of it like fuel for their digital brains. For example, to teach an AI to recognize cats in photos, you feed it thousands of cat pictures. The more data, the smarter it gets. Next, we have algorithms, which are like recipes that tell the AI how to process that data. And finally, there's computing power, super fast processors that crunch all that information in seconds. One of the coolest parts of AI is something called machine learning, a subset of AI where systems learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Imagine teaching a kid to ride a bike. At first, they wobble and fall, but with practice, they figure it out. Machine learning works similarly. The AI makes predictions, checks if it's right or wrong, and adjusts itself to get better over time. A popular type of machine learning is called a neural network, which is inspired by how the human brain works. It's like a web of digital neurons that process information layer by layer. Okay, so where do we see AI in real life? It's everywhere. When you get movie recommendations on Netflix, that's AI analyzing your viewing habits. When you talk to a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, that's AI understanding your voice. Self-driving cars? Yep, AI is helping them navigate roads. Even your spam email filter uses AI to decide what's junk and what's not. But AI isn't just about convenience. It's also tackling big problems, like helping doctors diagnose diseases, predicting climate patterns, or even assisting in disaster response. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is AI going to take over the world like in sci-fi movies? Well, not quite. There are two main types of AI we talk about: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is what we have today. It's really good at specific tasks like playing chess or translating languages. General AI, the super intelligent, human-like AI that can do anything a human can. That's still a long way off, and scientists are still figuring out if it's even possible. For now, AI is a tool we control, not a villain plotting world domination. But AI isn't perfect. It has limitations. For one, it can only be as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased, say if an AI is trained on unfair hiring practices, it can make biased decisions. That's why ethics in AI is a huge deal. We need to make sure AI is fair, transparent, and used responsibly. Plus, AI doesn't really understand things like humans do. It's just super good at finding patterns. So, don't expect your AI to have a heart-to-heart with you over coffee, yet. So why should you care about AI? Because it's shaping our future. From healthcare to entertainment to how we shop, AI is making things faster, smarter, and more personalized. But it's also up to us to guide how AI is used. Should it replace jobs? Help solve global problems? That's where you come in. Stay curious, learn about AI, and maybe even think about how you can use it or contribute to its development. All right, that's the rundown on artificial intelligence. It's not just tech jargon. It's a game changer that's already part of our lives and will only get bigger. What do you think about AI? Are you excited about its possibilities or maybe a little cautious? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get the conversation going. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Want to learn more about tech trends? Check out our video on related topic, e.g., the future of robotics. Until next time, keep exploring.